Hey Lily, how's your English learning going?
Hi Alex. It's going well, but I want to learn more idioms and phrases. They seem to make conversations more interesting.
That's true. Idioms and phrases can really spice up your English. How about we learn some together?
That sounds great. Do you have any idioms in mind?
Yes, let's start with break the ice. It means to do something to start a conversation and make people feel more comfortable.
Oh, I've heard that before. Like, at the meeting, he told a funny story to break the ice.
Exactly. Another one is cost an arm and a leg. It means something is very expensive.
So I can say, that designer bag costs an arm and a leg.
Yes, perfect. Here's another, under the weather. It means feeling sick or unwell.
Got it. Like, I didn't go to work because I was feeling under the weather.
Exactly. You're getting the hang of this. Let's try and hit the books. It means to start studying seriously.
I'll use that one. I need to hit the books for my exams.
Nice. How about piece of cake? It means something is very easy.
So I can say, the test was a piece of cake.
Yes, that's right. Another one is to let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret accidentally.
Like, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Exactly. You're doing great. Let's learn a few more. How about once in a blue moon? It means something that happens very rarely.
Okay, he visits his hometown once in a blue moon.
Perfect. And here's one more for today, spill the beans. It means to tell someone something that was supposed to be a secret.
So, he spilled the beans about the new project.
Exactly. You've learned a lot of new idioms today. How do you feel?
I feel more confident. These idioms make conversations more colorful and fun. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome, Lily. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Let's catch up again soon and learn more.
Definitely. Talk to you later, Alex.
Talk to you later, Lily. Hey Lily, ready to learn some more idioms and phrases?
Hi Alex. Yes, I'm excited to learn more. What do you have for me today?
Let's start with barking up the wrong tree. It means to pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action.
Interesting. So I can say, if you think I'm the one who broke the vase, you're barking up the wrong tree.
Exactly. Another useful phrase is bite the bullet. It means to endure a painful or difficult situation that is unavoidable.
Got it. Like, I have to bite the bullet and finish this assignment tonight.
Perfect. Let's try and burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night.
So I can say, she had to burn the midnight oil to get the project done on time.
Exactly. Here's another, let the cat out of the bag. It means to accidentally reveal a secret.
We covered that one last time, remember?
Oh, right. How about the ball is in your court? It means it's your turn to take action or make a decision.
Okay, I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court.
That's it. Another one is to cut to the chase. It means to get to the point without wasting time.
So, let's cut to the chase and talk about the main issue.
Exactly. You're really good at this. Let's learn hit the nail on the head. It means to be exactly right about something.
Like, when she said we needed more staff, she hit the nail on the head.
Perfect. Another one is on the ball. It means to be alert and efficient.
Got it. She's really on the ball and always finishes her work on time.
Yes, that's right. How about kick the bucket? It's a casual way of saying someone has died.
Oh, I've heard that one before. The old man down the street finally kicked the bucket.
Exactly. And here's one more for today, the best of both worlds. It means having the benefits of two different situations.
Okay, with this job, she has the best of both worlds, good salary and flexible hours.
Perfect. You're really getting the hang of these idioms.
Thanks, Alex. These phrases make English so much more interesting. I can't wait to use them in conversations.
You're doing great, Lily. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more fluent. Let's meet again soon to learn more.
Absolutely. Talk to you later, Alex.
Talk to you later, Lily. Hey, Lily. Ready for another round of idioms and phrases?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I'm ready. What do you have for me today?
Let's start with a blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good.
That's a nice one. So, losing that job was a blessing in disguise because I found a better one.
Exactly. Next, we have a dime a dozen. It means something that is very common and not special.
Like, good ideas are a dime a dozen, but putting them into practice is what counts.
Perfect. Another useful phrase is beat around the bush. It means to avoid getting to the point of something.
Got it. Stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened.
Exactly. Here's another, bite off more than you can chew. It means to take on more than you can handle.
So, I bit off more than I could chew by taking on 3 projects at once.
That's it. Let's learn call it a day. It means to stop working for the day.
Okay, it's getting late. Let's call it a day.
Perfect. Another one is cry over spilt milk. It means to waste time worrying about something that has already happened and cannot be changed.
Like, there's no use crying over spilt milk. Let's focus on fixing the problem.
Exactly. You're getting really good at this. How about cut corners? It means to do something in the easiest or cheapest way, often sacrificing quality.
Got it. They cut corners to save money, but the product quality suffered.
That's right. Another one is hit the sack. It means to go to bed.
So, I'm really tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight.
Perfect. And here's one more for today, in the same boat. It means to be in the same situation as someone else.
Okay, we're all in the same boat, trying to finish this project on time.
Exactly. You've learned a lot of new idioms and phrases today. How do you feel?
I feel great. These idioms are really helpful and fun to learn. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome, Lily. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Let's catch up again soon to learn more.
Definitely. Talk to you later, Alex.
Talk to you later, Lily. Hi, Lily. Ready for more idioms and phrases today?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I'm ready to learn more. What do you have for me today?
Let's start with jump on the bandwagon. It means to join others in doing something that is currently popular.
That's a good one. So, when electric cars became popular, many companies jumped on the bandwagon.
Exactly. Another one is to kill two birds with one stone. It means to achieve two things with a single action.
Like, by taking a walk to the store, I can get some exercise and buy groceries, killing two birds with one stone.
Perfect. Let's try miss the boat. It means to miss an opportunity.
Got it. She missed the boat by not applying for the job earlier.
Exactly. Here's another, the last straw. It means the final problem in a series of problems that makes a situation unbearable.
So, when he missed the deadline again, it was the last straw for his manager.
That's right. Another useful phrase is pull someone's leg. It means to joke or tease someone.
Okay, don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg.
Perfect. Let's learn see eye to eye. It means to agree with someone.
Like, they finally saw eye to eye on the project's direction.
Exactly. You're doing great. How about speak of the devil? It means that the person you were just talking about appears.
Got it. Speak of the devil, here comes John.
That's it. Another one is through thick and thin. It means to support someone through good and bad times.
So, they remained friends through thick and thin.
Perfect. And here's one more for today, under the weather. It means to feel sick.
Okay, I didn't go to the party because I was feeling under the weather.
Exactly. You've learned a lot of new idioms and phrases today. How do you feel?
I feel great. These idioms make my English sound more natural. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome, Lily. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Let's catch up again soon to learn more.
Definitely. Talk to you later, Alex.
Talk to you later, Lily.